Good morning, students. I, Bhavna Trivedi, welcomes you all in the second session of virtual learning of marketing subject. These are the topics of today's session. We'll discuss introduction of marketing, definition of marketing, and characteristics of modern marketing. I'll start the session with two quotes that gives the highlight of importance of marketing in today's lives and so is for organization too. Don't find customer for your products, but find products for your customers. With this quote, you can able to understand the importance of consumer orientation in modern marketing, as modern marketing starts with customer itself but not with the company or production or products. It has been said that students produce what you can sell rather than sell what you can produce. So the modern marketing is more a consumer oriented marketing. Customer is a king in modern marketing. Drucker says the aim of marketing is to know and understand the customer so well. You must have to understand your customer so well and accordingly design the products, accordingly produce the products. So automatically the products and services sells itself. You don't have to try to sell the products. So modern marketing is not believing in selling, rather than it is believing in identifying consumer needs and wants and customer satisfaction, which is a center in modern marketing. Let's start with the introduction to modern marketing. As marketing is a wide and comprehensive term. Yes, students, it is a very wide term because it is not limited to a particular department or particular area. Because modern marketing starts before production and ends with customer satisfaction. It is a very wide term. It is having an integrated approach because ultimately the production department cannot able to produce unless and until marketing department will not tell them what to produce. The sales department will not sell unless and until the marketing people will not tell them how to sell. Human resource department cannot able to manage the human. It is the advisory or guidelines by the marketing department. Accordingly they need to find out the creative people who can able to know the consumer needs and can able to sell the products creatively. Finance department should have to continuously work in integration with the marketing department, and so that it is a very wide term, it is a very comprehensive term, includes so many areas under it. It is a philosophy, knowledge or a guideline to achieve business goals. Unless and until the marketing goals are not set, the business goals can never be achieved. So it is a key, it is a way to achieve the business goals, because ultimately through profit only, through sales only, one can earn, one can achieve the business goals. And so that it is kind of a knowledge or a philosophy or a guideline through which the business goals can be achieved. And for it, there is a specific skill and ability required to satisfy customer. Presently new, unique, novel ideas are to be sold by the marketers, and they are the leaders and they are the creators, and so that a very special skill and ability is required to satisfy the customers, and then the profit can be earned. Modern marketing teaches the practicing managers what they need to do in pursuit of business goals. Yes, it is a marketing who find out the ways and means in relation to achieving the business goals. Only HR, finance and production cannot able to achieve the goals or cannot find out the ways. It's only the marketing department which will guide the managers, practicing managers, to achieve the goals in a very creative way. So modern marketing provide teaching, learning, knowledge to the managers in relation to achieving the goals. Marketing doesn't mean only buying and selling. Generally, we have that thing in mind that marketing is what? It's just selling. It was the traditional phenomenon and a concept. Now, modern marketing is not selling, it is much, much more than selling, because it consists of large number of activities that exist before production as well as after production, and which will be mainly aimed at maximum customer satisfaction. Marketing is a total system of business. Yes, the modern marketing, you can see there are so many organizations where the project manager or CEO himself serves as a marketing manager. That means the whole business decisions are dependent first on marketing department or marketing system, and then the other decisions are to be taken. So it is a total system of business, starts with discovering and translating consumer needs and desires into products and services through product planning. Unless and until the marketing department will not design the products, the production department cannot able to start the production. So they need to set the product planning or design the product. So for that they need to identify consumers' requirements, what the consumer needs and wants, and accordingly they convert that into products. Creating demand for these products and services through promotion and pricing. After the product that has been designed, they need to create the demand of the products through better promotional activities and pricing. Serving the consumer demand in terms of distributing the products to the consumer doorsteps through physical distribution, and expanding the market in the face of competition. And so that students, modern marketing begins with the customers, not with the production, sales or technological landmarks. It begins with customers and ends with customer satisfaction and societal well-being. And in this market-driven economy, buyer or the customer is a king in modern marketing. Whatever the customer decides, whatever the customer's needs and wants, accordingly, constantly marketers should to keep changes into marketing decisions. Modern marketers is to keep one eye on customer and another eye on the company itself. Let's look at some of the definitions of marketing. Marketing is a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want. Yes, students, marketing is a social process. How come it is a social process? Because ultimately the marketing is done by the society, for the society, and through the society. Because ultimately the main aim of the marketing is to improve the standard of living of the people. Every time when you go in the market, every company's products, when you will see, they try to improve their quality, they try to improve their ideas, products, in terms of improving standard of living of the society. So whatever the marketing people will do, the marketers will keep societal goal into their mind. So it is the social process, it is a managerial process, because managers creatively think on producing, designing the products and creatively selling the products. So it is a social and a managerial process of that branch of management by which individuals and groups, individuals, that is customers, what the customer need and want, the customer need good quality, novel products with reasonable price. So customer want to satisfy their needs and wants, and groups, that is companies, organizations, want a value, a price, want to earn a profit by selling the products. So both the parties, that is individual customers and a group companies, obtain what they need by exchanging the products, that is buyers, sellers exchange the products with the buyers, and the sellers get the value of the products, and through this exchange process both the parties can have a mutual gain. So Kotler definition is a very exhaustive definition considering so many areas, features and importance of marketing. According to Nair, marketing is creation and delivery of standard of living of the society. Students, if you look at the traditional concept of a marketing, where buyers will purchase the goods that is already been produced. Why? Because the traditional marketing was sellers oriented market, and this modern marketing is a buyer oriented market, because ultimately present marketing is a customized marketing era, where whatever you demand, whatever the color, style, flavor, preference, taste, you can get the products. You can even make it designed by the companies too, and you can fulfill your requirement. There are so many flavors available, there are so many models available of the product, because ultimately they know that customers want these many tastes. If we want to satisfy customers, we need to satisfy it in a creative way, and so that the modern marketers believe in creation and delivery of standard of living of the society by producing latest quality, by producing novel new products which will be fit into the latest technology in a with a very reasonable price. According to Stanton, William and Stanton, marketing is creation and delivery of standard of living, again repetitions of the higher definition, and which includes finding out what consumer want, because ultimately if you want to serve the society, if you want to improve the standard of living of the society, it is required you must know what society and a consumer want. Accordingly, the company plan the products, develop it, serve it, so that they'll satisfy the wants of the customers in a best way. They need to design the product, they need to price it, they need to promote it, and they need to distribute it to the customer doorstep. So what the product the customer want or customer need, what the price the customer can able to pay, how the promotion that the customer like it, that the customer willing to see and like it, and how they distribute where the customer require, that is at their doorstep. So these four important decision of product, price, place and promotion, 4 P's rather, known as a marketing mix, that design in relation to marketing is, so that modern marketing is a very wide term. According to AMA, American Marketing Association, marketing is performance of business activities that describes the flow of goods and services from producer to consumers. Your students, modern marketing covers everything. Flow of goods from producers, because ultimately what are the goods that is produced by the producers, that first will be decided by the customer. So modern marketing starts with the customer identifying needs and wants. Accordingly, the producer will produce the products, and after the production of the products, the goods that is sold to customers through proper distribution and transportation. So the modern marketing, which totally dependent on how the business and companies able to manage these activities, these performances well to satisfy customers, how they will maintain this flow from producer to customer, then and then they can achieve the goals. Some more definitions of marketing. The Chartered Accountant Institute define marketing or a management process which is responsible for identifying the demands, anticipating, that is relating those demands by producing goods and services, and satisfy consumers' requirements profitably. Taylor defines marketing is not about providing products and services, but it is essentially about providing changing benefits to the changing needs and demands of the customers, because we all know that students, customer demands and needs cannot be static, it is dynamic, it keeps on changing according to the change in the mindset. So consumer behavior is not static, it is very much dynamic. So modern marketers continuously follow this particular process of knowing the needs and wants, identifying the changing benefits of the customers, and accordingly fulfill those needs and demands by marketing. Kotler says satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process. How you can satisfy customers' needs and wants? Where seller gives the product to the customers and customers will give the value to the seller. Through this exchange process, the buyer and seller both can satisfy their needs and wants. And so that marketing consists of strategies and tactics. Yes, modern marketing is a strategic marketing, students, which will use to identify, create and maintain satisfying relationship with the customers that result in value, because long lasting you need to make your loyal customers, you need to make customers happy, healthy, then and then they are loyal to purchase your brand or your products. What are the characteristics of modern marketing, students? The modern marketing will have concrete characteristics or features. The first one is modern marketing is an idea or a philosophy that guides practicing manager. It is intangible knowledge, because the skill, it is an art where managers every time learn by practice. So it teaches how marketing goals can be achieved more effectively. It is not a cut short technique, it's not a maths formula that once you will apply you will get the same result. Every manager will get different results when they apply their skills, their art, their creativity. So modern marketing is based totally on novel ideas and philosophy, depending on how manager perform the marketing in their own creative way. Second one, economic activity. Modern marketing consists of economic transaction, and this transaction of buying and selling, because ultimately goods and services are exchanged with the money. So it is a commerce plus something. It is not mere supplying products to the consumers, because ultimately only supplying products to the consumer, only selling, that comes buying and selling, is commerce, commercial activity. No, modern marketing is not just commercial activity. It is more than this, because ultimately this we can understand through just discussing the benefits and importance of modern marketing, because it will not only supply the goods and earn money, exchange the goods with the money, but it will serve the society, it will fulfill lots of benefits and advantages on so many parties. Desired exchange. Students, modern marketing facility given by the seller to the customer involves a transfer of ownership, and these will be conducted within the limit of law. When you, as a buyer, when you go to the shop and you will wanted to purchase something, if you wish, then and then you will select the product and you will purchase. If you don't wish, you will not purchase the products because you will not like it. So the modern marketing is required desired exchange, and this desire of buyer wish to purchase the products and sellers wish to sell the products at the given rate, at the given price. Modern marketing is a consumer oriented philosophy, because it starts with the consumer and ends with the consumer satisfaction, as what we have discussed already. It is a medium of satisfying consumer needs at a profit, as a reasonable profit. Consumer satisfaction, which is a prime goal in modern marketing. As we have seen already, that modern marketing is a total system of business. It is a social managerial process which is follow the system approach, integrated approach, which focuses on coordinated efforts. That means it is not only marketing department is responsible for satisfying consumers, it is each and every person who are working in the organization, may it be a production, finance or HR or marketing. All of the departments should have to work in an integrated way with a system approach. Then and then it is possible to serve the customers and to earn the profit. Even modern marketing is dynamic and competitive in nature. It is a dynamic process because ultimately it is dependent on consumer needs and wants. What the consumer needs, and consumer needs are not static. The consumer needs are keeps on changing according to the change in the behavior of the consumer, and the behavior that may be changing according to the age, according to the life cycle stage, according to the gender, according to the situations, according to the environmental factors. And so ultimately, the modern marketing is a very dynamic and competitive because marketing activities are performed under competitive situation. There are so many sellers available in the market and they try to sell to the buyer. So ultimately, who will win? Who can able to creatively sell the products or develop the products by satisfying needs and wants of customers. It is a social and managerial process because ultimately it operates within the society, directly or indirectly affects social welfare. It is by the society, for the society. And so it is necessary that it is a social process where it will lead to optimum satisfaction of consumer, maximum satisfaction of the consumers. So all of the management principles, elements are applied here in a marketing. So efficient functioning of marketing department is totally dependent on competent managers, and so that it is a social process also because it is for the society. It is managerial process also because it is a one of the branch of management. So all the elements of the management that is applied here in marketing. Modern marketing, which deals with improving living standards of the society, because presently the main mission vision of the company is not only to earn money or adequate profit, but tries to raise the standard of living of the society by producing and distributing qualitative products at a reasonable price. As we have already seen, students, that modern marketing precedes એટલે પહેલા. Modern marketing precedes production by identifying needs and wants of consumers, what they want, accordingly produce the product. પ્રોડક્ટ પ્રોડ્યુસ કરતાં પહેલાં જાણવું પડે કે કન્ઝ્યુમરને કઈ ડિઝાયર છે, કન્ઝ્યુમરને કેવી પ્રોડક્ટ જોઈએ છે, કયા ટેસ્ટનું, કયા ફ્લેવરનું, શું પ્રેફરન્સ છે, કયું મોડલ, કયો કલર, whatever the needs and wants, accordingly the products are being produced. So it precedes the production, it follows production, because ultimately whatever the product which is produced by the production department is going to be sold by marketing department in form of promotion and distribution. So modern marketing precedes production and follows production. Modern marketing focuses on target market. Present marketing is a target marketing. It is not a mass marketing, students, because ultimately you can never satisfy needs and wants of consumers on a mass, because consumers are different in relation to demographic features. They are different in terms of age, gender, education qualification, income, lifestyle, so many areas that what we have seen in market segmentation already. And so that it is never possible that you can satisfy the needs and wants of all the customers with one product. So you need to make the group of the customers, target group, and that is the modern marketing focus is on target market. Say for example, once you talk about a Johnson and Johnson company, for them the customers are the parents of newborn child. If you talk about Fair and Lovely, the customers are young girls. If you talk about Fair and Handsome, the customers are boys, because ultimately these products are gender wise. So modern marketing should have to decide what are the target market, what are their customers. Accordingly they'll prepare and take 4-phase decision. Focus is on that particular target market. Even modern marketing is just managing demand. If there is no demand, create demand. If there is irregular demand, convert it into regular demand. If there is enough demand, then maintain those demand. So the marketer task presently is to manage the response of the demands and response of the customers by managing different types of demand. So demand management task is one of the feature of modern marketing manager. As it is one of the branch of management, it is universally applicable activity. Marketing is a universal applicable activity, is applied in every type of human activity, it might be economic, social, political or religious. Aggressive promotional efforts which is required ultimately, because without communicating to the customers what are the features of the products, what is the new product, how you can use it, unless and until the aggressive promotional efforts, products will not reach to the consumers. One more important thing is that students, that it is a creative task. Creative skills and ability of manager is required to sell the products creatively. It is been said, students, that one who can sell the refrigerator in Antarctica is called as a best salesman. So salesman tactics, creativity, skills is required in a modern marketing. And modern marketing, where aggregate efforts of all of the department is required, it is an integrated approach. So only one department is not enough to achieve the goals. All of the departments of the organizations is responsible to achieve the business goals. So integrated approach is followed in modern marketing. These are the characteristics or features of modern marketing, students. Now we need to understand what do you mean by marketing management. If it is marketing, you understood it is a kind of activity, it is kind of an idea, philosophy, social and managerial process. What do you mean by management? Once you will attach all management principles, fundamentals to the marketing, it becomes marketing management. So it is a management of marketing activities. If finance management is management of money, marketing management is management of marketing activities, which implies application of all the fundamentals of management science, including functions, processes, principles, theories applied to marketing field. And so as these marketing management concerns with planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. All these are functions of management for marketing efforts to realize marketing goals. So once you will attach management definition with marketing activities, it becomes marketing management. And so the prime goal of marketing management is to satisfy customers on an optimum basis in a given resources. So marketing management is a management of demand. More about the definition of modern marketing we'll discuss in the next session. I'm ending this particular session with very good quote, students. Good marketing makes the company look smart, but great marketing makes the customer feel smart, because ultimately, presently, the customer feel proud of using the company's products, this brand, and so as the manager should improve the marketing activities at that level. That's it for now. Good luck, students. Thank you.